Are you dreaming of hanging your own home sweet home sign this year? Buying your first home can feel overwhelming, like climbing a mountain, but it doesn't have to be. It just needs a map. Welcome. We're breaking down the complex process into a simple, manageable, 6-month roadmap for your 2024 home buying journey. If you follow these 6 steps, you can go from being a renter to a homeowner in half a year. Let's start the countdown. The very first month is all about foundational health, financial health. Before you look at a single open house, you need to know 2 crucial numbers. First, your credit score. Your score is the biggest factor in determining the interest rate you'll qualify for, and a better rate saves you tens of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Get your free credit report, look for any errors, and if your score is low, use this month to make a plan to boost it. Second, set your budget. A lender might say you can afford a $400,000 home, but your budget should tell you what you should afford. Factor in all your monthly expenses, not just the mortgage, but property taxes, insurance, potential HOA fees, and even the cost of utility upgrades. Decide what monthly payment you are truly comfortable with. With your budget set, it's time for month 2, get pre-approved. This step is non-negotiable. Pre-approval is not the same as pre-qualification. Pre-qualification is a quick estimate. Pre-approval is when a lender has actually reviewed your financial documents, your tax returns, W-2s, and bank statements, and is ready to offer you a specific loan amount. Why is this so important? 2 reasons. 1, it defines your true spending limit, and 2, in today's competitive market, a seller will not even look at your offer unless you can prove you have a lender ready to back you. Pre-approval turns you from a browser into a serious buyer. Month 3 is all about finding your guide, the right real estate agent. Think of your agent as your expert navigator. They do more than just unlock doors. They are your market analyst, your negotiator, and your emotional ballast. Look for an agent who specializes in first-time buyers and knows the neighborhoods you're interested in like the back of their hand. Interview at least 3 agents. Ask them about their recent sales, their communication style, and how they handle competitive bidding situations. Finding the right partner here is what ensures the next step is productive. Now for the fun part. Month 4, start viewing homes. You have your pre-approval, you have your agent, and you know your budget. This is where you bring your dreams to reality. Before you step foot in the first house, create a needs versus wants list. Needs are non-negotiable, like the number of bedrooms or commute time. Wants are bonuses, like a fancy kitchen or a big backyard. As you view homes, stick close to your needs list and try not to fall in love with something outside your budget. Be prepared to move fast, because good homes in hot markets don't last long. Month 5 is the climax. Make an offer. You found the one. Now your agent's expertise is critical. They will help you determine a competitive offer price based on comparable sales in the area. Your offer is more than just a number. It includes contingencies. Things like a satisfactory home inspection and appraisal, and an earnest money deposit. Be prepared for negotiation. A seller might counter your offer, asking for a higher price or fewer contingencies. Listen to your agent, hold firm on what matters most, and remember, every successful home purchase is built on successful negotiation. Finally, month 6, close and move in. This is the final sprint. Once your offer is accepted, you'll conduct the final inspection. The lender will order the appraisal, and all the paperwork will be prepared. The closing day is when you sign the final documents. The money is officially transferred, and you receive the keys. It's a long signing process, but when the notary hands you the keys, you are officially a homeowner. Celebrate. You earned it. So there you have it. 6 months, 6 essential steps. Check credit and budget. Get pre-approved, find an agent, view homes, make an offer, and close. Home ownership is an amazing and achievable goal. Take it 1 month, 1 step at a time. Save this guide. Start with month 1 today and make 2024 the year you finally get the keys to your first home. Thank you.